Good my name is Elizabeth Téllez from English Course 3 and belong to Group 104. I live in Bogota. This is an image taken from the Carpathian Province. It's beautiful. I am 21 years old. I am an environmental engineering student. I like to eat. I like to sleep. I like to work. I like to travel. It's good. I love. I like the vegetables. I like the fruits. Today I'm going to talk a little about Ibero-American Theater Festival in Bogota, world capital of the art. This festival is held every 2 years and different cities and countries of America participated. The festival was directed by Fanny Mickey until his death. Actress and Argentine Busini won. The objective or importance of the festival is the slow, the diversity and plurality of the different genres and trends of the performing arts in the. I wish to invite each of you to be part of this wonderful event that bridge together different culture and art expression from which we can learn a lot. This is a festival full of wonderful colors and smiles everyone. Remember, you small never miss this magic event again. See you later.